Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about a project that I feel is a microcap gem. And this project not only has an incredible short-term potential, but also has an incredible long-term potential as well, right? And this project is called Aluna, and its ticker symbol is ALN, right? As always guys, I suggest you guys to do your own research for any of the projects that we cover in our channel so that you are aware of your own risk tolerance and you understand the project, its long-term roadmap as well as the team before you invest in this project, right? And this video does not contain financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. You can also go to their website aluna.social, that is ALUNA dot social, in order to access their information as a part of your do your own research project, right? So what is Aluna? Aluna is basically the social trading terminal we deserve. That's basically what they're stating as their headline. Learn, copy and earn with the best crypto traders in the world, right? So Aluna is this project that uses so it's basically a trading platform that enables people to copy successful traders and replicate their own trading strategy, right? So that's pretty much something that we've already covered in multiple different projects. There are certain projects that do the same thing, but let's see what makes Aluna special compared to other projects, right? So multi-exchange terminal, manage all your exchange accounts from a single interface, right? So again, if you see, they have a demo of how their user interface looks like. You can pretty much access all the features that you would find from other exchanges in one single interface, right? So that's something that's relatively unique. You can also view your portfolio distribution, execute trades, and monitor orders with ease from these are the several exchanges that you can kind of like port the information from, and you can kind of like copy other traders or successful traders moves in order to replicate your own, right? So public profiles, build the ultimate trader profile. Your Aluna social profile is a trust pass. Share your profile with your friends to prove your trading reputation while keeping sensitive information like position and portfolio size private, right? So they basically provide help you to build the ultimate trader profile, and this social profile that you will be building with Aluna is a trust pass, right? So you can basically share your profile with your friends or family in order to prove your trading reputation as a as a humble brag, or even like an aggressive brag, right, to your family and friends, while also keeping sensitive information like position and portfolio size private. So although you can show to someone that this is your actual portfolio, you don't really have to reveal all the information, right? And that's something which is more personalized, and it can obviously be useful for people who like to kind of show off their trades but not show the whole thing. So this is an example of how your profile would look like. You can have a group of people following you. You can click the copy button to copy a specific trader. You will get the current ranking, the positions, the number of positions you have, the performance, and you can also see the trade history with your portfolio sizing without actually revealing a lot of personal information itself. Insights feed, get insights and live updates on your feed, right? So basically similar to like Twitter or Instagram, you can kind of get insider updates on people whom you follow, and people who follow you will be able to see your updates as well. And it's a pretty cool like a social media slash trading platform feature. Copy trading, so obviously you can copy people's trading. New to trading, copy the best traders from around the world or counter copy the worst. So again, the feature with copying traders is basically there are people who constantly lose money, and there are people who are very good at trading and they constantly make money by trading, right? You can either copy the best ones or identify someone who is constantly losing and do the exact opposite what they're doing, and be better at it, right? And make profits, right? Even though the actual trader may not be making profits. So find the biggest risk takers, risk averse, and the most profitable traders to automatically copy and counter copy, right? So you'll be able to do all of these copying and counter copying features on Aluna's platform pretty much automatically. So leaderboard, find the best traders to follow and copy. Traders' performance is displayed on the leaderboard for ultimate bragging rights. Find the best traders to follow and learn from based on performance, risk, and consistency, right? So basically, here is one of the an example of a trader who has had 100% win rate, and they kind of do 2 trades per month, and their performance is always like very successful. And in this example, they have like 10,000% return on their trading. And you can also see the number second rank, who has an 81% success with 180 trades and has 7,800% performance. And you can see the other leaderboard as well, and you can kind of like see whom you want to copy, right? So that's a very interesting and useful feature. The community run token powering Aluna Trading Terminal, and this is basically about the ALN token or the Aluna token, right? ALN empowers traders, builds trust in the community, and rewards merit. Buy Aluna from a list of available vendors. So you can basically use Aluna in order to access certain features, build trust within the community, as well as get some rewards. I do believe that there may be a staking option for this token, but I don't have it in the back of my head, but we'll be able to see that pretty shortly. You will have a specific benefit by holding the Aluna token, which includes probably reduced trading fees, being able to interact with a specific group of highly experienced traders, and also earn some rewards by holding Aluna itself, right? So that's pretty interesting, and it's also something that not a lot of other platforms that have this copy trading feature have a lot of utility with their tokens, but Aluna seems to have a bit more decent utilities. Partnerships, trusted partners working with us see investment opportunities. So basically, they have the following partners who are invested and working with Aluna. Some of the popular names are Proof of Work, Dextforce, GBV, DXDAO, as well as DAO Maker. DAO Maker is one of the largest, and I believe that this project had a SHO offering, which is DAO Maker is kind of like a launchpad platform, and this project was offered as an SHO or strong holder offering or something like that on the DAO Maker platform, and we will cover about DAO Maker soon in one of our future videos, right? So some of the really big and mid cap investors investing in Aluna, which is really good to see. Options and reviews. So you can opinions and reviews, so you can kind of see some of the people who have used Aluna's platform and did some trading, and you can kind of see the testimony and how their experience was. They do seem to have a really interesting user interface in the dark mode, and very high quality visuals, with the charts being much more detailed and much more pronounced than several other exchanges, which is very interesting for people to not only be attracted to the platform itself, but also for people to make some really serious trading. They would need to have all these metrics available, right? And it seems like Aluna has been providing that benefit. So you can create your own free account by clicking this link, and you can also do your first exchange. I don't know if they have like any form of like a first new user benefit, or like a discount, or some kind of like a token benefit, but it seems like your account creation is for free, and that's similar to many platforms, right? So we can obviously do more research onto the Aluna token itself by seeing where it's available. So when you click the Aluna token, you can obviously get the notification, instant pop-up message that says Aluna is available on BitMEX. You can now connect your BitMEX account, and I believe that there are several other exchanges that are also offering Aluna. So they have a liquidity farming opportunity for 250,000 Aluna tokens for grab, and you can kind of dig deep into the Aluna token here. The community run token powering Aluna Trading Terminal. You can also subscribe to their news features in order to see what they're doing and which other exchanges they're listing. It's available, it's powered by several exchanges including Binance, Poloniex, as well as Bitfinex, and so on and so forth. You can see that they're going to keep adding more and more exchanges soon, which will help you to port information from those exchanges, right? These are the partners that we saw right now, and ALN is live. ALN token is now live on the Ethereum mainnet, so it is available as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum mainnet. Source code is available on GitHub, and the ERC20 token address is this one. So please make sure to use the right token address, because there are a lot of scammers who pretend to be a Luna token as well as several other tokens. But if you go to their website, their actual website, the Luna tokens website, you can find the actual contract address, or you can also get it from CoinGecko itself. I also suggest you guys to read the white paper as a part of your do your own research project, and you can also try the platform yourself to see how it works, right? So you can basically buy a Luna token from some of the trusted exchanges, including Gay.io. It's available to be bought with Ethereum as well as USDT. You can also buy it from Uniswap. You can also check Aluna's price feeds as well as its history and the other tokenomics information from CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, as well as these other sources. Why ALN? The problem: lack of transparency and trust. The disconnection between trading data and market opinion makes it difficult to validate market advice and establish credibility. So basically, they are trying to use a Luna token to solve the following problem, which includes the lack of transparency and trust, where the trading data as well as the market opinion is actually not necessarily coinciding with each other in other platforms. And in order to address this one, a Luna token kind of serves that purpose. Too much noise, the flood of information on different assets and conflicting opinions can be overwhelming. In addition, traders do not tend to receive any incentives, financial or reputational for their activity. So basically, there is a lot of information that is available when it comes to finding the market signals for a particular token. Many of these market signal informations are basically going to be false or misleading or outright scandalous. So in order to prevent those kind of scenarios from happening to traders, Aluna has established the Aluna token that will serve as an incentive for people who are genuinely providing the proper market analysis and proper market information as an incentive, and to retain their own reputation using the ranking system that Aluna provides in order to be available to the public, so that they can have their own group of followers who follow their trade. Whereas from the traders' perspective, the traders get to follow someone who's much more reliable and trustworthy, and they can try to replicate their success or can learn from their failures, right? So that's a very interesting feature. Difficult to find top traders. Less experienced traders find it difficult to benefit from the knowledge and actions of top traders in the crypto space, therefore missing out on opportunities to increase their wealth and experience. Again, when you find when it comes to trading, people who trade in the stock markets have a feature where regular users can kind of like follow or copy another successful trader's moves on the stock market, and there are several tools available. But when it comes to cryptocurrencies, those kind of tools are very hard to come by. There are several projects that try to address this, but they do have their own shortcomings. But Aluna aims to create like a transparency where it would be easier for retail investors like you and I, if you are interested in doing crypto trading, that is, we'll be able to find people who have already succeeded and people who have had several levels of successes when it comes to trading, and you'll be able to interact with those personalities and kind of see how you can kind of follow their strategy for your advantage, right? So that's something that Aluna is aiming to solve. The solution: social trading. Aluna provides a transparent environment where beginners can learn from experienced traders, benefit from the wisdom of crowds, and improve their trading performance. Again, the trading transparency is very obvious when it comes to Aluna, and that's basically their main core concept: show, don't tell. By combining an API trading terminal with a social network, anyone can verify the unforgeable trading history and performance of traders on Aluna. So in Aluna, you can basically have information that is unforgeable, and you will be able to use these information in a reliable way for your own trading patterns, right? Copy trading. Aluna rewards the best crypto traders across the world's top exchanges on our leaderboard, while copy trading enables users to automatically mirror anyone's trading. So by being a successful trader yourself, you will be rewarded by Aluna for retaining your top spots in the dashboard, whereas people who want to follow your trading, they get benefited by following your trading directly or indirectly, right? So that's pretty cool. Testimonials, you can kind of see some testimonials that we saw already. Token allocation, so this is going to be something interesting. I really like this pie chart though. It looks very interesting, right? So if you see, the token type is ERC20 token, the max supply is 100 million tokens. Again, if you guys have been following my channel, you guys would know that my favorite number, the max supply for me, in my personal opinion, is something that I would really like to be either 100 million tokens or less than 100 million tokens. So this token is pretty much within that range, and that's something that I really like. 10% for early adopters, 25% for sale, 15% for ecosystem fund, 15% for team and advisory, and 35% for treasury, right? So as of the time of making this video, if you were to buy this token, again, not suggesting that you buy this token, but if you were to buy this token after doing your own research, you would be considered as an early adopter. So 10% of this token is allocated to early adopters as a liquidity farming feature, where you can earn a share of 250,000 Aluna tokens, which is something that you may be interested in as an early adopter to get rewarded. Seed sale basically accounts for 10%, strategic sale is for 7%, private sale for 5%, and public sale is 3%. So this is how the sale option is subdivided. And they recently had their seed sale in DAO Maker, so I believe that that consists of 10% of the token supply. Token release schedule, again, very interesting chart. You can clearly see that the early adopters get pretty much the flat line. Token sale kind of like causes an increase in the token schedule. Again, you can clearly see that the time frame is from October 2020 all the way till October 2023. So the token sale will kind of peak out on October 2021, and then after which it will be pretty flat. Ecosystem funding would be also peaking out on October 21st, October 2021, and it will kind of relatively remain flat. Also, there will be a general uptrend with the ecosystem fund increasing to a maximum percentage of 40% by October 2023. Team and advisory, they will have a maximum of like the portion of it allocated in the range of 50% by 2023. But you can see that after October 2021, the curve, the line kind of doesn't really go that exponentially. It kind of like reduces the momentum by which the tokens are allocated to the team kind of reduces, and it reaches the peak of 50% in October 2023, whereas treasury, it kind of gets released in the in the highest percentage, whereas the other ones are relatively low, right? So again, a very interesting chart to see. If you guys want to go through this and do your own micro analysis, I would suggest you to go to the website and analyze this chart yourself. So what are the core functions of the ALN token? You can get a hold of ALN in a number of ways: by building up reputation on the platform, participating in airdrop campaigns, purchasing ALN, and more. So basically, by interacting with the platform, you will be able to receive ALN rewards. You can also do farming, yield farming, or liquidity mining. Sorry, that's what you can do to earn Aluna tokens, and you can also participate in some of the airdrops that they'll be conducting. So I suggest you to go subscribe to the newsletter in order to see how you can avail some of these airdrops. And you can also purchase ALN tokens and so on and so forth, right? So ALN kind of has these farming, governing, it's a governance token as well. You can also, they're also planning to burn this token, so it's going to be deflationary token. If you're interested in deflationary tokens like I am, you can also stake this token. You can use this token to play, spend, earn, and you have multiple features, right? So earn, platform incentives reward active users and the best traders on the leaderboard. So again, people who participate in their ecosystem will earn ALN tokens, spend discounted monthly subscription fees. So you can also have subscription-based purchases within the platform itself, and by holding ALN tokens, you get a really decent discount. Participate in Web3 participate in Web3 prediction games using ALN. So you can participate in Web3 based prediction games using the ALN token. Staking at least 1337 ALN token gives you access to platform benefits, including free monthly subscriptions and fee discounts and access to Aluna token permissioned Telegram group. So you can basically stake 1337 ALN tokens to get their free subscription for free subscription plans, and you can get free discounts, and you can also get access to their permissioned group in Telegram to ask questions and learn more about the project. Farm, the ecosystem fund, is used to bootstrap liquidity, attract a larger audience, and incentivize meaningful contributions, such as by being an active or top performing trader on Aluna.social. Again, pretty self-explanatory. Govern, ALN is self-governed through the Aluna DAO, enabling decentralized control and evolution of the ALN token. Governors will be able to propose and vote on usage of the treasury and other protocol improvements. So they also have this decentralized autonomous organization called DAOs, the Aluna DAO, which is a governance body where people who hold Aluna token can participate and kind of propose on the or vote on the future of the Aluna ecosystem. Burn, part of revenue generated from Aluna ALN powered products is burned. So you will be able to experience feast burning mechanism, which will make the token much more deflationary and thereby causing price positivity, right? So again, I just want to quickly cover all of these other sections because I don't want to make this video too long. So ecosystem fund, they have this bootstrapping fund that we already saw before. By liquidity mining, you can basically mine ALN tokens by providing liquidity on certain dexes, which I believe is going to be most likely Uniswap, but there may be also other dexes that will be available soon, such as SushiSwap and so on and so forth. ROI farming, so you can basically climb the leaderboard and earn weekly prizes as well as monthly prizes, so that will be very interesting as well. Rewards pool, a portion of the subscription fees received is shared with the profitable traders every month. So by being a profitable trader, you will be able to earn some of the fees generated through the subscription, right? Aluna DAO is also here. Basically, Aluna DAO is a community owned and self-governed through Aluna DAO. Aluna token is basically owned and governed by the Aluna DAO. There is governance proposals, treasuries, growth and grants available, which you guys can do your own research and dig in if you want. Prediction games is also something that's very interesting. Binary outcome games, I don't want to cover these ones in too detail, but I'll let you guys do that by yourself. Social trading games, you can also participate in social trading games. Leaderboard games, to see if people who trade more frequently will be able to be part of the leaderboard games. Aluna is live. So basically, they are recently live. They have about 11,000 plus registered users, which is very interesting. The roadmap, you can also see their roadmap. I want to quickly go through the 2021 phase, where in the first half they had public token sale. They also had BitMax copy trading, centralized exchange integrations, trading competitions. They had their platform public release and pro subscriptions, liquidity mining, and ALN incentive mechanisms, which is currently underway. In the H2, they will have decentralized exchange integrations, which will be interesting, where you can integrate with Uniswap or any other decentralized exchange on Ethereum blockchain. Copy portfolio will be available on H2. Open source exchange library, automation via TradingView, which is also going to be very interesting. Staking and holder benefits, reward pools, governance will also be activated in the second half. In the first and second half of 2022, they have lots of exciting things happening that's going to be planned for 2022, which is going to be DeFi social trading, Web3 prediction games will be live. Web3 browser extension is also going to be live. That's going to be interesting. Peer-to-peer marketplace, strategic backtester, Telegram trading, market screener, advanced trading tools, right? So it is going to be really exciting for people who are interested in trading to use the Aluna protocol, right? So let's go to the CoinGecko page for Aluna. Aluna is currently ranked 1373rd ranked token by market cap on CoinGecko, and is currently trading at 24 cents per token, and it has recently dipped 12.3% in the past 24 hours, obviously because of the Bitcoin quick flash crash, as well as Ethereum and other tokens also crashing, but now they're kind of recovering. So it's interesting that Aluna hasn't really recovered yet. But if you see the market cap, again, $3.4 million in market cap. So it's an extremely small market cap gem, in my opinion, because there's going to be a lot of traders, there's going to be a lot of people who will continue to trade. New people are learning trading and they're going to become successful traders. So as the trader community becomes larger and larger, they will find Aluna as a very interesting platform because it's trader friendly. It has a lot of charts and information that can potentially be beneficial for traders, and also people who want to copy trading can also come to this platform and copy trade successful traders, right? So considering the fact that cryptocurrency trading platforms will continue to grow, this market cap is very, very undervalued. This token is literally undervalued, and it's an extremely small microcap gem. And if you buy this token at this market cap, you're definitely going to at least 10 to 15x by the end of this bull run. That's also because of the fact that they have token burns, token staking, and everything coming in, which is going to make this token way more scarce, right? Again, as I mentioned before, 100 million tokens is the max supply, which is something that I really like. Although the circulating supply is only 14.2 million of the max supply, although it is is relatively low, it's still better than several other projects that only have a few 100,000 tokens in circulation when the max supply is about 10 billion, right? So the discrepancy is relatively less for this token, which will only result in a relatively short term price slumping because of the new tokens going to be dumped in the market. But again, just like any other token, this token is also going to have some slightly short-term price inflation. But once the token burn starts happening, that's when the true price appreciation would begin, right? Provided the demand also increases. So let's look at the charts for Aluna. You can clearly see that it's pretty much at its all-time lows right now, and this is the best opportunity to buy this token, because if you see, you can't go lower than this, right? If the data is available since March 15, 2021, the token is obviously less than or slightly it only had a month worth of data, so it's a relatively new token. And on March 15, the token was trading at 89 cents per token, and it had a huge all-time highs of $1.73 per token before crashing. And since then, it's been on a downtrend, right? So if you are looking to buy a token in this dip, and if you're looking to buy a low cap or micro cap gem of a project, then this would probably be the best time to buy this token, and this would be the best token to buy at this price point, right? Again, there's really nothing much to say about the chart for a dollar comparative. Again, for Bitcoin comparative as well, you can clearly see that it's a really good buy opportunity, not with dollar alone, but also with Bitcoin comparative as well. If you see, the token was initially trading at 1500 satoshis per token before reaching an all-time highs of 3000 satoshis, and now it's currently at 425 satoshis per token. Again, a huge discount, and pretty much its all-time low right now. I don't see this token being in this range for too long, because there are a lot of people noticing this project, and they are seeing that this low market cap gem, which has a lot of promising features for traders, which will only continue to get better and better, will definitely find this project a very interesting buy. And this project is definitely going to it's going to start pumping pretty soon, right? So if you like this token, if you like all the information that you are seeing from this video, as well as if you, after doing your own research, you find this token to be a valuable buy, then this would be the best time to buy, right? If you look at the Ethereum comparative, again, pretty much in the all-time lows, even for the Ethereum comparative. You can pretty much grab a huge bag of this token with a decent chunk of Ethereum, and you would still be in you'll be in the green territory pretty soon, right? So again, really nice chart to see, pretty much at its all-time lows. Again, a really good buying opportunity, right? Just like how we saw from the website itself, you can buy this token from Uniswap and Gate.io. You can buy it pretty much with Ethereum and USDT. I believe these are the only two exchanges you can buy this from. So if you want a centralized exchange option, you have Gate.io, where you can buy it with USDT and Ethereum. If you want decentralized exchange option, you can buy it from Uniswap, again with Ethereum as well as USDT. Although most people prefer the Gate.io option because of the high Ethereum gas fees and low transaction fees, right? So what's my final verdict on this token? I believe that this low market cap or micro cap gem is going to explode by the end of this bull run. It has an easy chance of doing a 10x or 15x minimum. It could even go higher than that. It's has very strong tokenomics. They have a lot of good features. Their platform, I've signed up for their platform and just for the purpose of checking it out for this video, and it looks fantabulous. I'm not a trader, I'm an investor, but if you're a trader, I'm pretty sure you'd be pretty fascinated by their features. Their platform is one of the most high quality platforms I've seen for traders. They have a lot of features. They have a lot of backers who are supporting them, investors supporting them. They recently had their SHO launch on DAO Maker, so it's a relatively reliable project which is extremely undervalued, and it's definitely getting noticed by a lot of people, and it's pretty much at its all-time lows right now in any of the cryptocurrency or dollar comparative. You can pretty much buy it with Ethereum, Bitcoin, or USDT for the all-time low price point that is currently happening right now, but the token won't be in this price point for too long, and it's only going to be a matter of time before this starts exploding. And I do believe that by the end of this bull run it will be at least $1 per token, and we'll have a market cap of about $100 million by the end of this bull run. But if you are entering this token right now, it is a micro cap gem which you're entering before the 10x or potential 10x or 15x by the end of this bull run, right? Again, remember guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video guys. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.